Against all the evil that hell can conjure, all the wickedness that mankind can produce, we will send unto them only you. Rip and tear until it is done.
You know, we're really playing a crazy game here with the atmosphere and the oceans. We're taking vast amounts of carbon from deep underground and putting this in the atmosphere. This is crazy. We should not do this.
The world is addicted to oil, but we're here to offer a solution. The Cybertruck.
That it's complete bullshit and fake and a fraud.
We must pray now. Pray that he is watching.
Please, anyone, if you can hear me, if you're out there.
It's very dangerous.
Attempting to acquire the hell-greased signal.
So we should accelerate the transition to sustainable energy.
Nearly 60% of our planet has been consumed by the invaders.
Ha ha ha.
We have the hell-greased signal locked in. The target is marked, but the signal will not hold for long.
For it is he that they fear, not man, or his armies. They fear the mark of the beast.
Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, GM, Audi, and Porsche are all coming out with 300-mile electric luxury sedans.
Tesla's a sell. You don't want to own this stuff. You don't want to lease it. Heck, you shouldn't even rent the darn thing.
I think they're doomed.
Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha ha.